want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cree. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. It's a shop and get ready with me. We're going to do a hot roller set on our hair, but first we have to find our outfit. So today we're going to be looking at Amazon to see what outfit I can wear to the wine tasting I have coming up. I've only gotten one other outfit from Amazon, so we'll see how this goes. I think I'm going to go with this romper and have it shipped to my house. Well, that was fast. It only took 1 day for it to arrive, but of course you know how Amazon Prime is. I love it. So now let's take a look and see what we have here. Okay, so I'm taking the romper out of the bag. It's actually a really good quality material. It's kind of silky, soft a little bit. Like, I'm surprised how nice it is. Well, I would say the fabric is more smooth, but you'll have to wait until later to see how it fits. Okay, so on to my next products. I took a trip to Target and I got my hot roller set by Remington. I actually bought 2 roller sets. One was a 20 pack and the other was a 10 because I felt with all my hair that I would probably need some extra rollers. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair and blow dried. I braided it up overnight just to kind of give it a little stretch before I start clearing it out. Let's start by taking down these braids. By the way, a link to all my products, including the romper, will be in the description bar, so look down below. I think it only took me like 30 minutes to take all of them down, and the next thing you know, I was ready to start clearing my hair out. Now the braid out turned out really nice. I wish I could have worn it, but I had to keep it pushing. Now it's time to open up this Remington Hot rollers to see what we're working with. I wanted to have it plugged in and heating up while I was detangling my hair because I heard it could take a while from other reviews I read on it. But so far so good. I just wanted to pull one roller out to see how it worked. Turns out it just slides on out. You put it in your hair and then you can slide it back on into the slot. Okay, so I'm just trying to detangle it to get all the little tangles out before I roll it up and give it a bit of extra moisture. I'm using the Manuka Shea moisture line this time. I actually used this new product line to do my whole hair this time. So the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the leave-in, just to get the whole experience, and so far I'm liking it. But right now I am also taking my flat iron while I'm detangling just to straighten the roots a bit. So yes, this style is using some heat, but I'm making sure as I use the flat iron, I'm only doing a few passes and it's not up that high, maybe around 370. So usually when I straighten my hair, it's like around 400, but I just needed just enough to straighten it a bit. The detangling is done. Now it's time to put in the rollers. You see me put on my glove just to protect my hand from the heat because I didn't know how hot it would be. As I was rolling it around, I actually realized it wasn't that hot, so I ended up taking the glove off. The rollers ended up heating for around 40 minutes while I was detangling, so that's pretty good. But as I was going along and putting it in my hair, some rollers end up being hotter than the rest because it took me about an hour to put all the rollers in.
You've locked me down. You tell me you want me now. You know that you've got me. You've locked me down. You tell me you want me. You need it now. I know that you've got me. You've locked me down. You tell me you want me now.
As you see, I'm rolling with the slightly different roller that has a pin. That was the 10 pack. So overall, I put about 7 rollers on the 2 back sections and 8 rollers in the 2 front sections. You know what? Your girl is tired, but I am allowing the rollers to set with some extra heat for 20 minutes under my blow dryer. I started my hair around 1. At this point, it's around 4 or 5 in the morning. Ooh, I'm just trying to get done. But look at how these rollers are coming out. The curls are so bouncy and beautiful. So far, I'm liking the results, but we'll see as I finish taking down the rest. One thing I did notice about the rollers is that it lost heat within a few minutes. So that's kind of why I decided to put the blow dryer on it, because I didn't know if that would be enough heat and time for the curls to set.
I must be tough. I must behave. I must keep fighting.
And here are the results. I was loving it. It was bouncy. It was fluffy. It was so nice. I was like, oh, I wish the event was now so I could go out with my hair like this. But since it was only like 4 in the morning, I kind of realized that these curls may not hold up because they were soft. So I was like, maybe I should roll it up just to kind of set the curl a little more.
You don't want me again. Where are you taking me? I can't be blamed.
And this is exactly what I expected. Look, it's about what, 10 minutes later and the curls have already kind of dropped. I was a little bit disappointed. I was like, well, maybe I didn't set the rollers in and long enough to heat up, or set the rollers in my hair long enough to curl. Because 20 minutes is a short amount of time. So this is my first attempt at doing it. But like I said, I'm going to roll it up to try to, you know, salvage it and set the curl a little bit more. But next time, I think I'll leave the hot rollers in for a longer period of time. Well, here's the next day. 4 hours later. And I'm laying out my outfit. Here's the romper along with my black shiny purse and my cute little shiny sandals to match. So this is what we're looking at. So back to my hair. The curls were able to set for 4 hours. Let's keep our fingers crossed that my hair turns out looking good. And I'm almost done taking these rollers out, but guess what? As I was getting ready to do my final look for you guys, I ended up dropping foundation all over the romper. So I had to wash it in the sink and dry it with a blow dryer, and here we are.
Tell me you want me now.
Yes, it came out exactly how I wanted. Fluffy, big, flowy. It was so pretty. I was so happy. I ended up putting some holding spray in my hair just to make sure the curls stayed. That's what I should have did after I took the hot rollers out. But look, this is me on the way to the event. And here is my whole outfit. I ended up loving the romper. It was perfect for the occasion. And my hair, I ended up getting so many compliments on it. Overall, I love the way my whole outfit turned out. The wine tasting ended up being so much fun, and my hair lasted the whole time. So we are nearing the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle and if you would try it out. Until next time, thanks so much guys. See you later. Bye.